everyone, thanks for joining my channel. Today we're doing a little bit of a change of scenery. I'm doing like a quick fireside chat with you, get you caught up on some of the things that I've been doing and recap a few things that I've talked about in some other videos. So this is really quick today, just wanted to have a quick touch base with you this week, let you know what's going on and give you some updates. The very first one is I wanted to bring in one product that I bought, and this is going to be the third time that you see it on this video because I have to make some corrections, and just in case you were interested in it and you wanted to buy it, I want to make sure that you're very well informed. So the first one is this Marc Jacobs mini backpack in this like cute, really girly, dainty, dusty pink kind of a color, a millennial pink kind of a color. Love it, love it, love it. Still in love with it. Perfect size, wears very well with one exception. So I bought it the first time, wasn't sure I was going to keep it because one, the price, two, wasn't sure if I could string it up as a backpack, which I can. Three, the very light color, didn't know if it would get dirty. So then I came back and did a follow-up and told you this is the perfect bag. There's nothing wrong with it. Does not pick up dirt like I thought it would and blah, blah, blah. Now I'm back for the third time to make a correction. Yes, it doesn't really get dirty, but because it is a light color, it does pick up like color or dye from your clothes. If you decided to wear something dark, and it's really hard to see here, but if you did decide to wear something dark, the color from your clothes does transfer a bit onto, I think you can see it really well here, but it does transfer over onto the leather. So I did look up, of course, on Google to figure out how do I clean this without damaging. Really simply, they said to take a little bit of warm water, some dish soap, and just wipe it down. So I'm gonna try that really gently, try to clean this up. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take this in to be professionally cleaned and never wear it with anything like this, and which kind of sucks. So this might have to be my like spring summer bag, whatever. All right, so I just wanted to update you on that and give you the real on this bag. And you may see it one more time once I clean it to see if that cleaning process really worked. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a new purchase, which I am going to show you sort of, almost like a preview. So I've told you before in the past that I am the operations manager for something called Surround Sound of Fashion through a company called Engine Media. We throw like the biggest fashion show concert kind of a thing in the Midwest, and it's pretty cool, pretty cool event. So I did buy, every year, you know, the creator of the show just says, look fly. That's sort of the only guidelines that he gives to people who are participating in the event, look fly. And that definition is very loose, but I think everyone interprets that just to mean look your best, dressed to impress, right? So every year I usually wear all white, and I'm not going to say whether I'm going to keep up with that theme, but I did buy something from Barney's for the occasion, and I want to keep it a secret. I like to just pop out. I only wear designer when I pop out. No, I'm just kidding. I want to just pop out, and I don't like to like let people see what I've decided to wear for the event until the day of the event. So I'm going to keep that sacred and secret. When I do the event, I will do a unboxing to show you what I did get, so you can see that. And hopefully I'll see some of you at the event. You can see how I style it, what I'm going to wear it with, because these are pretty cool item, and you know, it'll go really well, make a nice little statement with what I'm trying to wear. The other thing I wanted to talk about are, I'm going to stand up for this one, are my pants. I finally rocked my satin shiny Puma pants, and I wore them with my I don't know if you remember, I showed my shoe collection at one point, and then I also did a unboxing or a haul one time, and I showed you that I bought these particular shoes. But they are patent leather Pumas with the big laces on them, and it goes really well with these pants. They have patent leather and these satin pants, and I just kind of muted it with just a loose rib tee, sweat jacket. And it's getting kind of cold here in Chicago, so I did wear a vest, like a puffy vest with a hood, a furry hood on it today. The whole looked really cool together. So I finally wore these, and I see that it is appropriate for colder months, so I'm glad that I got these at a deal when it was off season. and I am wearing them now and I love them. They feel great, they look great, really cool statement with that fuchsia coloring on the black. The last thing I want to talk about is my hair. So I wanted to show you what it looks like without any product whatsoever. You guys normally see my hair in a lot of states, and sometimes you have seen it with product, without product. You've seen my get ready with me. I've done a couple get ready with me, and you see that I use like the rose water to hydrate it, and I mix in my cocktail of oils to like shine it up, revive my curls. But this here is absolutely no product. I don't know if you can even see what my curl pattern looks like, but it's starting to puff. I did wear my hood earlier and it kind of fuzzed it out a little bit, but this is it. I mean, it's you know, I've showed you the length of it. It's about here when I stretch it, but it really does shrink quite a bit. But this is what it looks like with absolutely no product in there. But just wanted to share that piece with you. And then a quick update, I still have not gotten this pierced. This is still the fake cuff, but I am actually just really enjoying what the fake cuff looks like anyway. Then that's that. So I think I'm gonna rock that for a little while. At least now that I've allowed it to get cold, I think I'm just gonna wait until the weather breaks, because I have to wear hats and I don't want to have to deal with this getting irritated with me wearing hats. I am a hat wearer in the winter. I'm in Chicago and you'd be a fool not to wear a hat. Some people can do it, I just cannot. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a quick catch up with you, and also let you know that I do plan to do a giveaway pretty soon. You saw a vlog that I did. It was like a get ready with me, kind of follow me along my day, and you saw that I was kind of putting some organization to some of the things that I plan to give away. I am prepared to do several giveaways, but I need some cool milestones in order to do that. Help me share this video, get people to subscribe. I want to do a few milestones. I want to do a giveaway at 200 subscribers. And I want to do a giveaway once I reach 100 videos. And I am probably at 70 videos at this point. I can't really remember. Gotta go and math it up and tell you. But once I reach 100 videos, 200 subscribers, I'm gonna do 2 different giveaways for you guys. And one of them I told you is an Aveda prize pack, and the other one I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do. But there are gonna be some cool things in the other one as well. Thank you again for joining. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. We need to get to 200. Share it with your friends. I think they'll like it because you like it. And then hit that like button, leave me a comment. Let's interact, let's talk. Tell me what you liked about this video, if you liked it at all. Tell me what other kind of content you'd like to see in the future. Whatever you want to talk about, just let me know and we'll wrap. Talk to you later. Bye.